To mathematics, Mr. McMahon speaking. We are here. We are going to do workbook page 84 today. Mr. McMahon is going to do the first problem on there, 26 plus 4. We are going to work on this next problem, 32 plus 9. And then after that, my friends are going to do the rest. All right. 26 plus 4. Now in your workbook, it has the two circles down here. That means you're going to break apart 26. I'm going to break apart 26. I see that there's a 2 in the 10 spot, so I'll put 20. And then that there is a 6 in the 1 spot. So that's where I put 6. So 26 is 20 and 6. And step 1 is we will add the ones. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Would you look at that? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. There is no little ones that are all by itself. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So then, what I have left is my 10 right over here of 20 plus the other 10. 10. 20 plus 10. I can even draw some place value blocks. There's 20 and 10. 10, 20, 30. So 20 plus 10 is 30. 26 plus 4 is 30. Would you look at that? We are able to solve that problem. The next one, 32 plus 9. I want my friends right now to break apart 32. Break apart 32 as 30 and 2. If you did, excellent. Now, what is step 1? That's right, add the ones. We're going to add 2 and 9. I want my friends to add 2 plus 9. Pause. 2 plus 9, did you find that it equals 11, that you made 110, and that there's 1 left over? The next step is we add this number 11 with the remaining 10s that are left over, which is 30 plus 11. I would like my friends right now to solve 30 plus 11. When we added 30 plus 11, Mr. McMahon, I decided to break apart 11 as 10 and 1. I then did a next step. I added all the 10s together. 30 plus 10. 30 plus 10, 3 10s, and you add one more is 4 10s. 4 10s equals 40. Then I did 40 plus 1. 40 plus 1 is 41. So 32 plus 9 is 41. Look at that. We were able to solve this problem on our own. Excellent job, friends. What I'm going to want you to do is I want you to complete the remaining problems on page 84. When you get done with page 84, I'm going to be back right here to kind of go over some other things that I would like for you to do on this day in math. So I'm going to pause the video when you get done working on the workbook pages. I'm going to be back here and going over something else for you to do. So I hope my friends have a good time doing their workbook pages. McMahon is going to want my friends to try and do a journal entry. A journal entry for today is write a story for 38 plus 5 and explain how you solve. Mr. McMahon, what does that mean, write a story? Well, this is where we're going to have to become authors. So this is what Mr. McMahon's going to do. Mr. McMahon's going to do this for 38 plus 5. I'm not going to explain how I solve it because that would kind of defeat the purpose, but I'm going to make up a story. And I don't want anyone using my story at home, okay? This is strictly copyright Mr. McMahon 2020. All right, well, let's see. How do I want to come up with a story for this journal entry? Let me think. Well, I probably want to have a character in mind. I'm going to use myself. I'm a pretty good person. I'm a good character. Mr. McMahon, I have 38. Let's see. Cupcakes, no, that would be way too much. I'd be way too full and be way too sick. 38, 38 pencils, because I like to have different pencils. I have 38 pencils. Mr. McMahon. Mr. McMahon, kind of working on that grammar. Not too good. Usually I'm a lot better. Mr. McMahon has 38 pencils. Oh, this is an addition problem, so I'm going to get some more. I then got 5 more pencils. I'm going to write that down. And if you are doing your story, I would love for you to write down. I get 5 more pencils. And I'm pretty sure I get 5 more pencils. Yes, it's all grammatically correct. I get 5 more pencils. Now, I'm going to pose my question. How many pencils do I have altogether? Oh, you know what? I'm even going to talk about some grammar and some stuff like that while I'm doing this. I'm going to get out my blue marker. How many pencils do I have altogether? Since this is my question, I'm going to underline it when we've been doing that with our word problems. How many? I'll box that. So I have altogether. Altogether is another keyword. This is going to let me know that this is an addition. So my friends, you can do this at home. You can come up with many different ways. You could have someone have 38 dogs and then they get 5 more. Someone had 38 dogs and they get 5 more. 38 books and then they get 5 more books. Whatever you want to come up with. So I have written a story, then I'm going to solve it. So I would have to solve 38 plus 5 and then explain how I solved 38 plus 5. When you say explain, Mr. McMahon, what does that mean? Well, you can write, what did you do in your steps? Did you add the ones? Did you add the tens? Your answer, how many tens and how many ones are in your answer? Stuff like that. So I hope my friends enjoy doing this journal time, and if you want to draw a picture of what you came up with, you are more than welcome to after you've done everything. After you've written a story, you solved it, and explained how you solved it. Well, this is Mr. McMahon signing off for math today. I hope everyone does a really great job.